So, welcome to Tarot with Jiwa. So, ngayon naman po, babasahan naman po natin ang ating mga Capricorn. So, this reading is for March 2026 and this is a personal reading. Only takes what resonates with you and leave what doesn't. So, first, ang iyong astrology Capricorn, in March 3, no, meron kang major breakthrough in a legal matter. So, education, pursue, or long-distance travel plan. So, yan yung kailangan mong gawin. So, maaaring meron kang legal matter daw, no? On March 3. On March 10 naman, progress is in daily work and health. No? May progress ka sa iyong mga, sa trabaho mo, daily work mo, and sa iyong health. If you are been feeling physical drain or stuck in a boring routine, the energy finally shifts. So, magpapalit ka na, no? Aalis ka na doon sa drainy and stuck, boring routine. On March 18, meron kang local community at doon ka magfo-focus sa local community and communication. So, maybe start a new writing project, no? Yun ang sinasabi dito. And then, March 21st, misunderstanding with your, no, kapitbahay, no? And, medyo may mga, start ng month na kailangan mong i-resolve yung mga, or ayusin yung mga, hindi na, mga nakatulong sa'yo noon at yung mga problema mo noon. Because you are the ruled ng ating Saturn. Okay. Alright, let's see the energy of our Capricorn. Capricorn, please. Capricorn. Ayun nga, meron nga. Okay, so first, no, you have the Seven of Swords, sneakiness. You have the Page of Pentacles. And of course, you have the Nine of Pentacles, no? Alright, so, si Seven of Pentacles nga, no? May mga tao na medyo mag-check sa'yo, no? Sa iyong, maybe sa iyong, behind the scene, no? May mga mag-check sa'yo, may mga tao na parang, ito. May mga taong I cannot say na magnanakaw sila, but may mga tao na hindi maganda ang intention sa'yo at may gusto lang kunin sa'yo, no? But don't worry, you have the Page of Pentacles and you have the Nine of Pentacles, which is your cards, no? But let me clarify the Seven of Swords for our Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn, please. Capricorn, Seven of Swords. One more, please. Okay, so you have the Queen of Swords, you have the Nine of Pentacles then, katulad kanina, and King of Cups. So, yes, independent ka, intelligent ka, no? So, hindi to sa'yo, hindi to effective sa'yo. No, so able to think clearly without emotional, no, na hindi magandang emotional, no. So clearly ka na, may clarity ka. When faced with this issue, use your head rather than your heart. Use your head rather than your heart, okay? And then you have the Nine of Pentacles, significant. So meron ka ditong Nine of Pentacles, no, Capricorn, which is about comfort, luxury, and prosperity, no? Sa iyong Page of Pentacles. And also, you have the King of Cups, which is the balance and emotional maturity. No, ito yung matatanggap mong opportunities. And also, let me clarify the Nine of Pentacles for our Capricorn. Okay, you have the Emperor, the Two of Pentacles, wow. And the Nine of Pentacles. Puro Pentacles, no? Puro Capricorn. So, you have stability and power. protection, no? And also, you have the balance, partnership, and multitasking. So, magaling naman ang mga Capricorn sa multitasking. And also, you're gonna be practical, steady, fairness, and good routine, no? So, magandang mga opportunities to sa'yo. Okay, so, gusto kong i-check. Medyo i-psychic natin si Seven of Swords mo. Isa-psychic natin si Seven of Swords for our Capricorn. Okay. Okay, let me check the Seven of Swords, no? Tignan natin Seven of Swords. Medyo i-psychic natin ng konti, ng slight si Seven of Swords for our Capricorn. Okay, so manipulation and control issue, no? Itong si Seven of Swords na to, manipulation siya at control issue. Hindi totoo, no? Whether sa pag-ibig or sa anything na hindi siya totoo. Wala siyang creativity and inspiration. Itong Seven of Swords na to. And arrogant and self-centered, no? I see. And let me check the Nine of Pentacles for Capricorn. Sleep and health balance, no? Capricorn. Sleep and health balance. Good friend and supportive friends. Yan. You have receiving love. Wow. And also you have supportive. Oh, wow. Maganda, marami nagsusupport. And discipline. Very Capricorn. Very Capricorn. Very Saturn. No? Okay. Bigyan kita ng iyong animal protection, no? Card. So, let's see kung ano ang ating penguin. Authentic. Wow! Penguin. Authentic. Okay. Pwede nyo itong i-screenshot, no? Tapos pwede nyo basahin. Because this is your protection from the divine. Alright, so that's your personal reading, Capricorn, and I see you in my next video. Thank you.